Hello, viewers. How are you? First of all, I'd like to thanks for coming up my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. In this video, I'm shown how to add another account on the same WhatsApp. In the previous, you can use multi-accounts app or parallel app for using multiple WhatsApp. So I'll let you know that WhatsApp recently launched a new feature which you can choose multiple accounts on the same WhatsApp. And this WhatsApp is official. You can download it from Play Store. I'm already installed this WhatsApp on my mobile phone, and I'm using my WhatsApp account, which is my official WhatsApp account. So I'm let you know that I'm adding my dummy WhatsApp account on this WhatsApp. So let's start the video. First of all, open the WhatsApp which you have downloaded, and then go to the settings. Now go to the account, and you can see that second last option where add account. Click on add account. Now press agree and continue option. Now you can see that here you can put your new number, or you can say that dual WhatsApp. Now put your mobile phone number which you will use from another account. Click on next. Now you're actually connecting to the server and verified. Now press continue. Okay, the WhatsApp is looking for backup. If any backup, then they will add from your Gmail accounts. If not, then you can skip this. I already have a WhatsApp account on this number, so they automatically picked my previous WhatsApp profile name. Now click on next button. You can see that adding account, your account successfully added. Now I'm going to my previous account. You can see the pop-up message where shows on which account you need to go to setting button, and then click on switch account. You can see that your account switched. So I hope you are like my video. Hello, viewers.